What's going on, guys? Today I'm going to be showing you guys my 2020 New Year's Eve fireworks stash. So let's get started. This bin right here, we have almost a case of the 8-shot candles, a couple other random Roman candles, some rockets in there. Over here we have 4 25-shot cakes. We have a case of that cake. In these bins, we have a couple of random shells, some fountains, some smoke, more OGs. Some nice shells right there. Some nice color shells right there. Both those bins. And back here, we have 2 boxes of one of the Death, one of the OG. 2 preloads, a pack of gold cans, a 7-shot cake, 25-shot cake with some hobby fuse, fast artillery. In here, I have a 100-shot cake. Can't really see it, but call that one colossal. And then back here we have a 300-shot cake. So yeah, that's pretty much it for my 2020 New Year's Eve fireworks stash. So comment, like, subscribe for more videos. The New Year's Eve is only about 2 weeks away, so definitely gonna be posting some more videos, so stay tuned for that. So anyways, guys, thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video.